How to log out WhatsApp from other device. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can log out WhatsApp from other devices. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to log out of WhatsApp from other device, all you have to do is go ahead and then first make sure you're logged in on your primary device, which is maybe on your phone. Once you open up WhatsApp on your phone, you have to tap on the three dots, which is on the top right hand side of the screen. Then go to the option called Link to Devices. As you go to Link to Devices, under the Devices Status section, you'll be able to see all of the devices that are currently connected with your WhatsApp account. And if you want to log out of either of these, all you have to do is tap on this device over here and then choose the option called Logout. So currently you can see I'm logged in on my Google Chrome from WhatsApp web. I just need to tap on it, choose the option called Logout in order to log out of WhatsApp. That's all it takes to log out of WhatsApp from other device. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.